Alright guys, so right now we are in Las Vegas and this is the first night and I'm actually using my new camera, just tested out this low light capability. And before everything start, I'll throw the drone shots I just made. It's just incredible. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so in a second we're gonna actually heading to a prime location that can fly drone in Las Vegas. Today then we're leaving. Actually I didn't get so much footage in the Las Vegas. I just get a few B-roll and a few drone shots. That's basically all the video this video about, because I haven't actually recorded video in a long time, so just adjusting other stuff. So far like there's a bunch of like chaos and terrible stuff, like doesn't go right. Yeah, so today let's go, I guess. Alright, what's going on guys, and back to Los Angeles. Actually this is like a few days after that. It's a pretty long time already. Today I finally got a time to actually film this video and finish it. So today's topic, so basically this is like 2 weeks after the Las Vegas trip. I already finished editing all the footage you see before this clip. See that drone shot in Las Vegas? Nice and crispy. Is from MAVIC 2 zoom. But there's one problem, it's like I have a hard time to just match this camera, which is Canon EOS with the f2.8 lens, and match the low light, like has a smaller sensor and the worse on the lens for the MAVIC 2. So I have a really pretty hard time to just match these two together. So today we're actually gonna do comparison just between this guy and the MAVIC 2 zoom, and then we also gonna see like how much the difference between smartphone and this guy. Like we're gonna make a video like getting like as much possible out of the smartphone. We're not talking about the video here, because the video is generally, I mean, smartphone just kind of limited with the limited aperture, so that's just how much you can do. And we're actually gonna try to mess up with the photo, which you can do long exposure and everything. Actually, just from right here, this is a USR. Right now, it's kind of pretty low light situation, which I can tell you how bad is it. But it's really low light. Really low light. I can see more through the camera from my eye. So right now, I'm gonna throw on an f1.8 50mm and see how good. Like that's the fastest lens I have so far. So see how good this low light can look like. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alright, okay, so I am on the 50mm f1.8. It's not a full frame lens, but it's still gonna get that more shallower depth of field. But as you guys can see, I have to place it there and I'm standing it pretty far, as you guys can hear from the camera audio. Because this is a 50mm, which I can get a really shallow depth of field and a really good low light. But 50mm is 50mm, like you can't really use it to vlog. And this is gonna way it looks like if I'm trying to use it to vlog. Right, there's just gonna be my giant face stacking to the camera like this, which it doesn't work. Even though this is a full frame camera, like it's not cropping, it's still just stuck on my face right here.
Upgrade, but I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no that I got outplayed, cause I'ma need an upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no.
Is the low light on this guy? Oh crap, I lost the sync. The low light on this guy is just not that incredible. It's just pretty bad. There's one time so freaking dark, I almost crashed into the building. This one clip I'm gonna play on the screen right now. You guys see that little red light under it? I almost crashed into it, so it scared me so hard. And this is even darker than the Las Vegas stuff, cause like in Las Vegas everything just goes so bright, and in Irvine just like no dark. From here you guys see a lot of light and golden shining back there, but normally actually from my eyes right here it's pretty bad. I swear to God if it's gonna land on the tree. Come back. Alright, it's right here. You can see it. It's gonna land on the grass. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna make that smartphone video. I'm gonna use that for the next video. Ooh. Okay, done. My baby. I might consider to get a MAVIC 2 Pro right now, because this is just so bad in low light. The MAVIC 2 Pro, I don't even think that's gonna be any better, because the drone camera is generally nice, but compared to this like $5,000 DSLR, it's just hard to match it. Maybe during the daylight, like enough. Maybe the Inspire 2 doesn't even work that well. Alright, I'm gonna pack everything up and let's go back. So my conclusion of this video is just basically device like this small sensor camera generally work, but coming into low light just being so bad. If you're doing right, like setting up the right thing, it's still gonna give you a really nice picture. And it might not be like cinematic, like big aperture, really blurry background, but it's still gonna be kind of okay. And this video is pretty much it. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, which is probably the iPhone video. And see you soon.